Hey guys, welcome back for another edition of Ask Sears. Sasha, do you have a front-loading washer like this one? Those bad smells often come from mold you can't see. Let's pull back this rubber seal and take a look. Brian's asking if wiping that off himself is doable. Well, Brian, it is. However, when dealing with mold, you should be careful. Our Sears 23-point inspection looks for all possible issues that could cause something like this. Door lock alignment and improper door sealing can be the deeper root of this. With Sears regular machine maintenance like my man Steven just mentioned, you can absolutely extend the life of your machine. Bottom line, for the dirt you see and don't see, we're here to clean and maintain your machine so you don't have to. Because let's face it, there's clean and then there's Sears clean.